looking at Khethelezi. Khethelezi shared some very powerful message, a very special message to Umkhonto weSizwe members, because you know, the leadership of MK Party, including the likes of Khethelezi, they understand that to the certain extent the comrades are divided on the ground and people they want a position, and Khethelezi saw it fit to make this message, which is the urgent message, I call it, to say that Umkhonto weSizwe members, stop fighting for our position. That is not the focus, because the more you fight for position is the more you lose some key municipalities whereby you were supposed to win as the members. The only work that is needed for you now is to put in the work, to go to the people, to campaign for the party, and to tell the people to vote for Umkhonto weSizwe, so that Umkhonto weSizwe will win more regions and more municipalities when it comes to local government election.
Udokotela uKhethelezi umkhonto sisuka naye phansi. Umkhonto uqalwa i-event yokuqala umkhonto weSizwe eyayingomhla ka-27 December 2023 ayilana sasikhona sabalo sasihlala nothi sekhona uJabulani Khumalo. We were there. Dr. Khethelezi was the only first famous person in South Africa owaphumela obala wathi ujoyina umkhonto weSizwe. Wabhala amaphepha uyena kuphela umuntu ayidubile, where everybody was doubting us. Okwesibili comrade, kunabantu asebejoyina umkhonto weSizwe ngoba babona sengathi kunebhodwe eliconsayo, sebebona ama-numbers. Thina umkhonto sawujoyina kuthiwa siyahlanya emakhaya, kuthiwa aninapolisi, anina-constitution, anina-ma-office. Sawujoyina umkhonto kunjalo. Labo bantu besibuka sizilima nanto ezilwelayo kamanje, abasibona siyinyoni, bathi bona banama-constitution, banama-leadership, banama-structures, singenawo sebezofuna ukudla umkhonto wethu. Nakasibona silwa kwasasithela ngalo ukuhlala baba sekushone manje kanti. That's why we are here, comrades. We are here to support it. He is a genuine member of Umkhonto weSizwe. We know him tooth and nail from the grassroots, from the bottom where we come from. We came with him. We recognize phezulu, but as a ground forces, we will never reject our own. We say we stand with him. We stood. Simi no Khethelezi is Umkhonto weSizwe member. Ustalwa belaphi noma kuthiwa wenzeni simnaye. Kwaye mina ngisabizela kuthiwa ngiyakuhearing. Ngoba ngifake iqembu kodwa ngima kanjani nomuntu namacala ngathi umkhonto weSizwe simnaye njoba nama-ground force alayi wathi 60 aphinda amande eqiniso athi uDr simnaye. We are standing with him fearlessly so.
This video made me to understand, say, there are few people in Umkhonto weSizwe who understand Jacob Zuma's vision. I understand the distractors. The distractors are blaming Jacob Zuma from the start to the finish, saying that he's causing chaos there, he's the one to be blamed, there's no stability in the MK Party. But you know, there's a video I saw. I want to insert this video and listen to his argument, listen to what he's saying, because he's saying that, you know, this is not the time to fight for positions. He's addressing the matter, the comrades. Imagine, this is a comrade that has no position. He's saying that, no, you guys, you are losing the focus, you are losing the ball of saying that the command from the president says that we must work first before we enter glory, before we receive the rewards. We must put in the work so that we position some municipalities to gain more in the party. Then afterwards, Jacob Zuma never said that there will be no conference or any elective conference. He's saying that just for now, so that we secure the party must take guard and protect like a wall fence, so that the enemy will not want to enter inside the organization to destabilize the organization.
Comrades, ngithatha leli thuba ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu ekusupporteni iphupho, anisupporta iphupho lami kodwa nisupporta iphupho likaMsholozi, nisupporta ivision engithema ngiyibona ukuthi lento ingathatha umkhonto use phambili naseneyisebenzisa le nto. Isifiso sami ke ukuthi iTheku silisebenze, because into engifike ngayibona enkulu kakhulu, ngifike ngabona abantu sebeyibona bewomeya, sebeyibona bewo speaker, deputy speaker, sebeyibona bephethe yonke indawo bakhohlwa ukusebenza. Okubaluleke kakhulu is to deliver itheku. Then after that, my wish is to see people ke beunite bebuya netheku. Into ezoyenzeka ke comrade nansi eningayazi. I-IFP izowawina ama-hostel. I-IFP izowina leko Mbumbulu. Izothi isuka lapho i-DA izowina izindawo zakomhlanga, Balitho, zonke lezi zindawo zesilungile. Nalapha koMandiyeni iwine. I-ANC izophuma nama-ward 15 or 20. Bayothi besuka lapho labantu bahlangana. Bese kuba i-GNU ye-local government. So, uyafuna ukuthi manje siphushe ngempela. Let us avoid lama program la sihlangana kakhulu bese uthiwa sicela usihlalo noma sicela unobhala zo addressa, sicela abantu abama-position. Ama-position aside manje. Ngike ngayisho lento ku-VN ngathi baholi from i-national, baholi from i-province, baholi kwi-region, kuma-zone. Dedela abantu manje. Umuntu onombono wokuthi MK angawuthatha ubeke mdedeleni manje. Sekufanele sihlanye ukudlula kuqala. Sisele cishe no 9 weeks. Kulo 9 weeks asingeneni siyokhuluma nabantu, let's engage with them. Ama door to door abalekile. Masingabambisana kulowo mazone makuthi ama-ward awu-8, 4 ama-ward aseduze asebenzisana, 4 amanye asebenzisana. Bese kwenziwa i-recruitment drive. Hayi ukuthi samba silandelana imoto ekukhala amawuda. Manje sekufanele kusebenze lento manje. Lento program melithi mayenziwe enkulu ingamoshi imali, kodwa ishiye i-message, a strong message to the community. Ngiyafisa ke ukuthi uMK ngabe kuthiwa uyangisebenzisa mina. Give me a chance. Noma kuthiwa uyangibona kuleyo ward ongibona kuyona ngiyolekelela. Hayi ukuthi ngifuna iposition cha. Mina I have a belief yokuthi umholi ukhethwa abantu, umholi uqala khethwe emazulwini uNkulunkulu bese ekhethwa abantu. Uma ningangivumela nje, mangibona ukuthi kuleya ward kuyaliwa, masensikhathi ngiyounite nje. Enye izalwa naye, isiphiwo sibuwe. Angibona ngingahamba ngihlanganisa ama-province across South Africa. Bese ngisuke lapho ngihlule ukuhlanganisa ama-ward. Itheku leli lidinga abantu basukume manje. Mawubona ukuthi lapha kuyabheda, ugijima. Yabo manje i-task yami ithi ngizodila nezone yami. Ngibonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi unobhala wezone yami iPixel King Shaka zone akanalo ikhanda liqinile kanye nosihlalo wakhona. Abantu abakhululekile abathi thina sifuna ukuthi kuwini. Kuyoba yihlazo ukuthi kungawini iward yami iqala, kungawini izone noma kuwini iward izone ifail. Sinama ward awu7. Matha sihlulekile, asihlule ukuthi maybe sihluleke ngeyodwa awu6 siwawinile. Ulele ezandleni zami, angiyena umholi, angilutho, but ukuthi ngiyophaphatha kubaholi bezone ukuthi ngidedeleni of which sengikhulume nabo bayavuma abaningi. Mangisuka lapho sengibona izone yami sey-right, ngingena kwamanye ama-ward laba ngathi bayangidinga khona, ngingena khona. Angeke ngingenele, ngizocela ipermission futhi nakhona kubaholi be-region. Ngicela ningidedele ngigijime manje.
The MK party is now the official opposition after GNU, after the ANC, after the DA. The MK party is the official opposition, the third biggest political party. It's more like we have two political parties. We have the parties that side with the ANC, which included the likes of the DA, the IFP. They side with the ANC. Anything that the ANC does, they agree. Maybe it's there, just in few things, little matters where they don't agree, right? Because the DA, I mean, they agree that they will protest Cyril Ramaphosa when it comes to Palapala. They will vote with the ANC, right? So they lost the right of becoming the opposition, the biggest political party. So we just put them aside, then we subtract them, then we put officially now the third largest political party in South Africa, which is the MK party. So the point of interest, the high interest, even to the distractors, the haters of Jacob Zuma and the haters of Mkoto Wesizwe, is that this political party, this young political party has now became the official opposition. So meaning a lot of people perceive this party as to compare it to what the GNU is doing. And the GNU is also concerned with this political party of what it is doing. And another thing, whether we like it or not, the MK party has made this stance, they've taken this position of uniting all the grieved political parties that were not invited to the GNU, which now we know that the outcome of the GNU, the DA had so many things to do with it. In fact, the DA wanted Panyaza Lesufi to be out in the ANC because he is disturbing their plans. The DA wanted the likes of Gayton McKenzie, the PA, not to be part of the GNU, right? And there was that enormity between Gayton McKenzie and Helen Zille. So the DA also wanted the EFF not to be part of the GNU. The DA also wanted the MK party not to be part of the GNU. But there are some political parties that made it to the GNU, like the PA. But the EFF, the MK party, they never made it there. They made it a point that they block these political parties. And what works for them is that these two parties, there's that enmity between them. They don't get along. Their leaders, Julius Malema and Jacob Zuma, they don't fully understand and comprehend each other to an extent that they can come to an agreement to fight the bigger elephant in the room, which is the GNU. So these ones are divided. So once they are divided, they are not a threat, right? But now the MK party has this tendency of inviting the likes of ATM, the likes of SACP, and these other newly formed political parties to say that let us fight together as black people. That's the narrative. Let us fight together as black people. So as it does that, it becomes now like the umbrella of these the political parties of the left. Now it becomes like the main opposition political party. Now it becomes one of the political parties that is attracting much interest when it comes to the public opinion and to shape the future of the next South African politics. That is why even the haters of the MK party, they follow the party so that they will see what the party is up to. So Jacob Zuma has blocked, saying that no, I don't want to give people positions because those ones, I know, I'm from the ANC. Those ones who have bought, who are using money in the ANC, we don't want the same system here.
MK, yesterday I had dinner with some friends of mine, and they called other friends, and the one lady said, I'm too horrified to eat, was what you just said. I said, well, ma'am, that's your problem. But you asked me a question, and I answered you. Jacob Zuma, a lot of white people can't get it on over your mind can't comprehend the fact that Jacob Zuma is the most popular man in South Africa. I'm going to repeat that. The most popular man in South Africa is Jacob Zuma. Don't ask me, I know your mind can't comprehend that. He's the most popular man in South Africa. He came out of jail and within 4 months he built a party that's the third largest party in South Africa. Do you know what? This is a man for 10 years that has had negative newspapers every day. If I think Cyril Ramaphosa is the strongest member in the ANC, if there was no Cyril Ramaphosa, Zuma would have already finished the ANC, I can promise you.
And the members are now so confused. They are fighting for positions. They want power. They want money. People want jobs. Yes, everyone knows that. Jacob Zuma addressed this. He understands that people want jobs. But he's saying that let us work first and put in the work so that after we have worked, then we reap the rewards. Then people will get positions. Then the MK party will start setting up structures for conferences, and people will give their best candidates. Jacob Zuma argued to say that we will not just take anyone from anywhere that we don't know. We'll take people whom is suggested by you, comrades, to say that this person is fit for that position. I was so shocked that there are few genuine MK party members who understand the vision, the plan, and what Jacob Zuma wants to do and achieve with their political party. Leave it on the comment section below. Let us hear what is in your mind, and you can support us by subscribing to this political YouTube channel. Remember, it is free of charge.